We'll guide you through how to download the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android. In the search bar at the top, type in ChatGPT and hit search. Look for the app developed by OpenAI. It should be one of the top results and will have the official logo. Tap on the app to open its page where you can read a brief description and check the ratings if you like. Once you're ready, tap on the GET button if you're on an iPhone or install if you're on an Android. You might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID on an iPhone or confirm installation on Android. Once you've done that, the app will start downloading. Wait for the download to complete, and once it's finished, you can tap on Open to launch the app. Upon opening the app for the first time, you'll be greeted with a welcome screen. You may need to sign in or create a new account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. If you already have an account, simply enter your email and password. If not, tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Once logged in, you'll be able to start chatting with ChatGPT right away. Remember to check for any updates regularly to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.